Hi there, it's Mark Sebastian, founder of OptionPit.com, and this is the Stock Market and Option Volatility Report. Reminder, this is for education purpose only, should not be considered investment advice. Options have risk. Hey, reminder, Pro Summit coming up about a month. Get your butts to Chicago. It's going to be a great time. You meet a lot of traders, hang out with me, hang out with Andrew, and you'll learn a ton. Speaking of learn a ton, well, so the news overnight, and this is actually a little more concerning than kind of the tariff raise, but a lot of people thought that kind of Trump was doing his own thing and he was just off on an island, and he thought things were were kind of too slow, right? That was why people thought he was raising tariffs. Well, it turns out that the administration started to become really nervous that the Chinese were walking back stuff that they'd already agreed on, and that they had said, no, we're not going to change laws, a lot of other stuff. And that was what I think has caused the market to really be taking it on the chin today. You look, today feels a lot uglier than yesterday. It's one thing to open up down 20 and then drop to down 36, another to open up down 40 and just rally all day. Yesterday was, well, maybe we're overreacting. Today is, no, maybe there really is a problem here. So you can see we are all the way back to where we were in the middle of last week. But if you look at volatility, it is almost 20, whereas last week it was almost 13. So there's been a dramatic shift in implied volatility. The curve, the futures curve, and this is key, is now essentially backward. All right? And that is a really important thing, right? May is way high. We're flat to borderline backward, appear to be starting to head toward backward. And we sit here much longer, it's going to be that way. With the SPX getting punched, so is the NDX. The SPX down 1.25. The NDX is down 1.4. The Dow also down 1.2. And the Russell, which had probably the best day yesterday, is down 1.2 as well. So the NASDAQ is leading us lower. And you can see it's names like Apple. The chip names are SMH. The chips are getting punched, thwacked, slapped around. And that is really driving things. The spike index also around 1930, so you can see it's kind of reconvened with VIX. And then VVIX, 105, made a nasty move higher. And, that's probably something people should be concerned about. That is really moving things. And, that is the main driver for kind of everything going on. We do have a couple earnings. Lyft has earnings after the close. Disney has earnings tomorrow. So those are still kind of fun. But everything else is really headline driven. Everything is correlating. And, everything is, it's amazing. We're stirring trouble with the Iranians and oil is falling. So that just goes to show you kind of where everything is right now. Just everything's correlating to itself. All right, folks. On the day, today looks like it could be an ugly one. However, we're not in a position to have a Volmageddon because we don't have enough short vol interest. That much ballyhooed article from last week really has not taken shape. We've got a nice strong VIX, but the VIX futures appear pretty normal. All right, everybody. I hope you have a great day, and I will talk to you soon.